What shall I cook today?
Hi friends, in my cucur jagung video, a subscriber asked about greasy fritters. At the end of this video, I will show how to correctly fry fritters. Watch till the end here. Now let's make some teh tarik. Okay friends, I'm going to cook now. For today's teh tarik, I am using bote leaves, but you can use any types of leaf that you like. Adding ginger is a choice. It gives a unique taste to the teh tarik, and it is good to get rid of flatulence. Kalau tak suka, tak payah guna. I am using susu cair today. Besides this, you can use condensed milk, full cream milk, fresh milk, powder or skim milk, almond milk, or even creamer. But bear in mind, the taste using any types of milk varies. Rasa lain-lain tau, terpulanglah pada cita rasa masing-masing. However, to get the teh tarik for me effect, the best is to use either susu cair or condensed milk. Yang lain-lain tu kurang buih lah. This teh tarik HALIA will be wonderful with a plate of cucur jagung at any time of the day. For my cucur jagung recipe, you can watch part 1 of this video and discover yourself, okay? If you like this recipe and enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share with others. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you for your support. Okay, let me teach you how to fry the fritters. To avoid greasy cucur, make sure the batter is not runny. Jangan cair sangat. Then make sure also the flame is at steady medium flame at all time. Fry small batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. The first turn of the fritters is when the fritters start floating. It is important to constantly turn the fritters a few times to get even golden brown color. Once you know it is crispy and golden brown, remove it from the pan. If you follow my steps, I am sure you will get even colored non-greasy fritters that you can enjoy with my teh tarik. I hope you can benefit from this tutorial. Thank you. Happy cooking. Bye.